Well, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I am so excited because I will be doing a first impressions on the Shayla collection by Colourpop, and there are 3 lipsticks, 1 lip gloss, 1 eyeshadow palette, and 2 highlighters, which are all so beautiful, and I can't wait for you guys to see what it all looks like. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be talking about the Perception palette, which is this one right here. And first of all, I just want to talk about the packaging. She did a matte black packaging. Comes with rose gold and purple splashes, and this is what the eyeshadows look on the inside. And this one comes with 4 matte shades and the rest are all metallic, and this one retails for $23 and it has a total of 16 shades. Okay, next up we got a lipstick which is called Quickie, and this one retails for $7 and is a Creme Luxe lipstick, and this one is described as a peachy nude. Up next we got OOUUUU, which is also a Creme Luxe lipstick, and this one is described as a warm peach and retails for $7. Okay, and last but not least, out of the lipsticks that she came out with, we got Come On Sis, and this one retails also for $7 and is described as a soft pinky brown, and it's also part of the Creme Luxe lipsticks. Then she also came out with a glossy lipstick, and this one is called Neat Freak, and it's an ultra glossy lip, retails for $6 and it's described as a peachy champagne with pink and gold glitter. For the loose highlighters, she came out with one called Boomin, and this one is a Luster Dust loose highlighter, retails for $7 and is described as a peachy gold. Second loose highlighter that she came out with Pose, which is a Luster Dust loose highlighter, which retails for $7 and this one is described as a warm copper. That's all the items that are part of the collection. It is 7 items and you can buy them separately or you can buy them in a bundle for $59 and you save $5, which is what I did. I believe these items are currently out of stock, but they say that they're going to be restocking them pretty soon, so by the time you see this video they might already be restocked. I'm not sure. And that's all the information I have for the collection, but if you want to see how I got this look right here, please keep watching. Alright, so I've already primed my lids, set them, and I did my brows off camera. I'm gonna go ahead by adding Culture, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna add that on the crease. I really want to do a blue eye, but okay, so up next I'm gonna take Revenge, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna start applying that on the inner corner and the outer corner. Inner corner, outer corner. And I just want to make sure I leave this part empty. Brush. Make sure there are no harsh edges. That's finished. I'm gonna go ahead and add Sassy, which is this one right here. And this one's just a really pretty brownie with like a shift of blue. So, call my name and I gotta use it. I'm gonna apply it with the fingers. Oh yeah. So much better with the finger. So I want it mostly in the middle, but I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Brush that I applied the other shade, I'm just gonna blend it in. That's very, very pretty. Very impressed. I said I was only gonna put in the middle, but I mean, I couldn't stop. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna go back into Revenge, which is this one right here, and then just add a little more. I just want to go a little higher than where I had originally put it, since I kind of covered it with the other shade. Make sure everything's blended. I think I'm gonna stop right there for now, and I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be back to continue with the eyes. Okay, so now that the face is done, we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the eyes, and I'm gonna take Culture, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna start applying that to the waterline. Now that's done, and I'm gonna take 14, which is this one right here with this really pretty blue color, and I'm gonna start applying that to the bottom lash. And I want to put this very close to the lash so it doesn't get all wild and everywhere. And I'm just gonna go about halfway of the eye. For the inside of the lower lash, I'm gonna use Spill the Tea, which is this one right here. Okay, and I'm also gonna add some of September, which is this purpley shade right here, just because I want to play with all the colors. I mean, honestly, if I could just put all these colors in my face, I would, but I don't know how to mix them all together. Maybe that should be like another video. I think Jay Kessa does a video like that where she does using all colors in a palette. That'd be pretty cool. Hard, but cool. And I'm gonna go back into Culture right here and just blend everything out on the bottom lash. Okay, and I was gonna do eyeliner, but I think I changed my mind. I'm gonna go ahead and take Played Out, which is this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna lightly line the top lash. And I am getting a little bit of fallout right here, and I probably should have done this before I did my face, but we only live once. And then I'm gonna line the lower lash with the LA Girl gel liner, and I have mine in Paradise Purple. Okay, and to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna take this color right here, which is Unbothered, and I'm gonna apply that to the inner corner and possibly the brow bone. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my eyes so we can jump into lip product and the highlight that is also part of the Shayla collection. Eyes are done, and now we're gonna jump into the highlight, which is lately one of my favorite parts. So I got Boomin and Pose, and I think I'm gonna be using Boomin, which is this one right here, which is a little bit lighter than Pose, and I'm gonna apply that to the cheeks. For the lips, I'm gonna finish off with Quickie, which is this one right here, and it's the nude in her collection. And I'm gonna top it with the gloss, which is Neat Freak. a beautiful combination. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed my little first impression slash try-on slash review of the Shayla collection by Colourpop. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, I would so appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel so you can see future videos. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Hmm.